Oh, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. In this puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the Killer Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and one of these binary puzzle. Let me start with this one. Number 7311. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, and now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be O, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 5 here. Well. Looks like I need to compare. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I know. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. The 1 and an O. Between two 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, and also here an O and a 1. Yeah. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also between an O and a 1, an O and a 1 there. I believe here also an O and a 1, but we have here 2 O's. But we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Yeah. So one of these should be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s in a row in a column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, O. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Oh, between two O's comes an 1. Well, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. Wow, 5 minutes without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this way. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.